Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Christmas special effects makeup look. So I did my base makeup off camera just to save some time. I'm going to be honest, if you're watching this on Christmas, I'm filming this at 2 a.m. on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. Anyway, I went to Walmart and I had, I'd gotten like the 20 piece of the little ornament mixture and I pre-smashed them like 2 weeks ago. So we are all set to go. So this should not be a super long tutorial. I should be able to get this one up earlier in the day, and then I have another video later because this is day 11, but technically it was supposed to be day 10. Anyway, so I took a hammer and I just held it, and I be very careful because I smacked my finger almost a million times. But I have some broken ornaments, if it will show up. And I mainly just split them down in the middle. They're kind of easier to bend once they're broken. So I have some little pieces like this we can add in. Sorry, I'm rambling. So I'm gonna go in with Prozade cream adhesive. I have the liquid one, but I feel like this one is easier for me to use. Just looks like this. That you probably can't see it. And I'm gonna take a Q-tip. I wanted to put one over my eye, but I feel like I shouldn't because then I have to build more, you know? I'm just gonna start. Are we thinking should I put one up here? I'm thinking like here. Like right there. That feels right. What if I just put it around the edges? If that would work. I'm just taking it and going around the edges of this. I've been excited to do this look. I just genuinely have not had a free second. So I have it like this. I'm gonna see if it holds. Okay, I think I need more adhesive. I think it's staying. I'm gonna try not to move my mouth as much because it's not glued down yet. We're just gonna move on. I really want a piece to go over my nose. Oh, I also have one like this, where it's like a part of one. Was it too much to do one up here too? Sorry, I just got it all over. I just put it down right this second. Be careful with ones like these in general though, when you break them. If these are plastic kind of, you don't want to hurt yourself with it if it's sharp. That one stayed a lot better. I think I'm gonna look for a little piece here. I thought I had a tiny green one. I kind of wanted it to go out of my nose on top, or over, like this. That way it's a piece. This stuff makes it so much easier to glue stuff down, but then it's so much harder to get off. And genuinely, I sprayed too much of the adhesive remover last time, I think. And yeah, it was just gross. Which is to be expected, but actually let me go on this side. Okay. And I was thinking a piece like this. I think I just have to put it on the edge here and then underneath. And then I am gonna go in with fake blood. I just want to get these glued down really quick. Not that I'm trying, I don't want to rush this, I just also want to have it out before the end of the day. I'm gonna add this little green piece right here. Hopefully. And I think the white one is staying now. I found this one where it's a smooth side and it's most of it. It's only missing a tiny bit at the bottom. So I'm thinking I'll glue this one right here. Maybe a little lower so you can see it. And then another piece here. Just gonna fill in, I guess. I'm doing the same thing where I'm putting it on the edges. And then I also bought Christmas lights I can wrap around myself. Okay, what do we think about this? Or should I look for a smaller one and have it going out of my face? Okay, I found another piece. I'm gonna put that one right there. Okay, I found a piece. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna have it stick out of my neck, just right here. These ones are just awkward because I feel I can't move that. I was just thinking of changing my shirt too, and I was oh my god, I can't lift it over, but it's a onesie. So I might pop that on. Okay, I just added like a little white piece right here that... Did I stop recording? So that should be good. Okay, so I was gonna use latex, but I feel like that's not gonna do what I think it's gonna do. So we're not gonna do that. I am going to throw all the Q-tips on the floor though. Next, I'm gonna go in and we're gonna take Mayron's coagulated blood and I'm gonna put it on... Oh my god, I can't get it open. Okay, I just had to go scald it so I could get the lid off. I'm gonna take the blood by Mayron and we have a little palette here. It's a little dirty, so I'm just gonna flip it so we're on the clean side. I'm going to just take it out and put it on here so I can have more control where it goes. Because I don't really want to use the paintbrush for this. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm gonna take a Q-tip, but I'm gonna cut the end off. That way we have just the stick part. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water. And we're just gonna start going around the ornaments, like so. Just start easy with this one. This is pretty much what it was gonna look like with the latex anyway. So, giving it like a thicker line, but I would have had to build it up for a while. And it wouldn't have been as fine as I wanted it to be. But I'm just tracing with the blood. The best part is it doesn't have to be super clean because obviously this was not done purposely. I feel like that one's gonna fall off. I'm gonna try not to touch it too much. Just want to fix this. I feel like I need something here, but I also don't want to overdo it. So I think we'll leave it. Next, I'm going to add in my contacts. I waited because I want it to look like I'm crying, and usually when I put my contacts in, my eyes water. So it's kind of looking how I thought it would, you know what I mean? My eyes are also still burning because we cut onions a few hours ago. Next, I'm going to add lips. I'm going to add in Taurus by Sephora, and then it's the Sonrisa Soufflé by Beauty Bakery. Let me add mascara at least after the fact, because that would have been terrible to get that in my eyes. And I'm purposely going to make it a little messier, and I'm going to add some around here. Just because... I don't know if you can really see my natural lashes at all. They're kind of short. Okay, let me go change into that onesie thing I was talking about earlier. Got it. I mean, it's not terrible. I like it. I wanted to do something more simple, but also special effects. But also, it's 3 AM now and I'm kind of out of time, so there's also that. I like this idea. Let me look for the Christmas lights really quick. I think they're like right here. Ignore the hair. So, we've got colorful lights and I have white lights. I mean, maybe the white lights. Oh my god, it's stuck. Okay, so here's the white lights, and here are the colored lights, and here are the white lights. Which one? I feel like the white lights. Because I feel like these ones don't look right. There's too much going on. I feel like we need these ones. Oh my god, I have a dud. Already? I just got them at the Dollar Tree, so they're not anything crazy. Let me fix it quick. Alright, dud fixed. We're good. Let's see. Or do you think I should just... I don't know. You know, in theory, it felt like a good idea. I feel like this is too short. Can I clip this in the back or something? What did you do on Christmas at 3 AM? Nothing interesting. Thoughts? I think this is good. It's very warm. So, I feel like I probably shouldn't keep this on very long. Here's the final look. Christmas disaster. makes sense. This is my SFX Christmas makeup. Words. But yeah, this is my look for day 11, technically day 10, actually day 12, I guess, because I'm posting it on Christmas. If you're watching this on Christmas, Merry Christmas. Thank you if you watched my whole 12 days of Christmas. I have one more video going up later today. It will be my last video game. That one was one of my favorites, but I don't think I've ever been so stressed playing a game, so keep an eye out for that. Check out the playlist at the end. If you want to see my other videos, I did makeup, baking, and video games, and those ones are all on time except for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from me in the future. And yeah, Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.